Welcome to Door County Drone. Experience the arrival of the legendary Great Lakes freighter Edgar B. Speer as she enters Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin for Winter Layup 2025-2026. This video captures the coordinated precision of the maneuver, featuring radio chatter between the Speer's captain and the tug captains of basic marine tugs, Erica Kobasic and Nicolina, as they guide the massive vessel safely into port. A behind-the-scenes look at teamwork, skill, and tradition on the Door County waterfront.
Ship to the Speer. Nicolina, you got a copy on time?
Yep, we're pushing hard on your quarter.
Good. Speer. Just trying to find your channel that you guys are working on. We want to keep your stern as close as we can to the dock as you slide down it. Starting to push it in now there. Forget, we do have bubblers going underneath of you as well. So we can't run them wheels quite so hard. Okay, good copy. If you want to slide over to the port side and start pushing there, maybe we can get her to slide in some bodily. Sure, good copy. Are you able to see the draft back aft where you're at there?
I am not able to see them. Oh, 21's where it stops where we're at.
16, Cap. We have to appreciate that. To push there for a minute there.
Just down. Awesome. Hold on.
Glad you guys pushed me back in. Okay, back there on the quarter, you can push again there. We can continue pushing.
Nicolina's coming up. Erica's coming up.
Stop on the push there.
No. There's off.
We'll take some push there again there, guys.
No.
On the push, I'll stop.
Hello. Erica's off.
Good here, Cap. Okay, roger that. On the ground. Coming closer than this. Another 80 feet, and then we'll push you up on the dock. Good copy. Coming, Cap. Looking good.
18 hole open on the end of the dock. 18.
You're probably in about 10 feet. You're off the dock wall. Probably 15 to 20 once you get in here a little further. There, the captain on the Speer. You're off the dock wall. Speer, you're probably about 30 feet in now. You want me to come in closer now or keep going like this? Another 40 feet and then we'll push you in tight. 20 to go and then we'll push you up tight. You're about 8 off on the end of the dock. Alright, now we could actually push you up tight on the dock. I got some flat on the dock side. Holding about 8 on the dock wall right now. Giving me distances here on the vessel, so I should be all set on that. Just let me know what you want me to do there. Good copy. On the port quarter there, you guys can push me in there.
Up on the Nicolina.
Still holding about 8 on the dock wall. 7. On the push now. Ease off on the push. The dock wall, Cap. Back in there, Nicolina. You can continue pushing her in. Holding about 6 yet. Closing down to 4. Closing down to 4 on the dock wall. 7. On the push now. Ease off on the push. The dock wall, Cap. Back in there, Nicolina. You can continue pushing her in. Holding about 6 yet. Closing down to 4. Closing down to 4 on the dock wall. slowly closing, Steve. You look like you're down to about 3. Keep her coming, nice and easy.
She's in, Erica, if you're going to be pushing that bow. And
2 on the stern, down to 2 on the tires.
Oh, on.
Yeah, we're inside.
The ship is inside? Right. The stern.
Keep coming back. Back up to about 3. Dock wall, down to 2. 1. 6 inches. And we're touching tires now. We can hold it here on the dock wall and just ride her right straight back. So, back, we'd be great. Her back here, probably just needs to keep the push on there so she holds up against that watch. She's going to want to throw her off.
Keep pushing.
Keep her coming back, looking good. Stern's on tight right now. We can just hold her on there. Cap, keep coming back. Holding tight to the tires on the stern.
Okay, that's what you want, right?
Yes, sir. We want to keep hardly no ice between you and the dock. Coming off the tires, about 1.5 feet now. Get off the tires. Closing back on the tires. Down to 1 foot. 6 inches. Touching tires now. Keep her coming back, looking good. Rubbing tires on the stern, looking good. Keep her coming. East, ever so slowly, looking good, Cap. Keep her coming.
Good copy. I don't want to give her too much engine here.
We hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.